AirBox, clean air, pure and simple. Replacing the filters on the large AirBox Apex unit is really quite easy. When taking off the side, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. The screws do not need to be unscrewed all the way. They will release when you apply pressure and turn a 1/4 inch. Once the side is off, it's quite simple to slide the 2 filters into the unit. The technique is the same when reinstalling the side door. Apply pressure before the turn of each screw. You can choose the speed of the fan, and the on-off switch is located on the back side on the left side. AirBox, clean air, pure and simple.